probably this is the best MBA college in the country. Some rankings, some very prestigious rankings call this to be the best business school in the country. So that's where I'm heading to. Hi guys, so I'm traveling somewhere else now from Kolkata. That was about it from IIM Calcutta for now. But the good news is that I'm traveling somewhere else to a new IIM, to another IIM. The next few vlogs will be from that place. So this vlog is about to introduce that IIM to you gradually. So as I'll fly, as I reach my place, I'll share with you more about this IIM where I'm heading to. The one thing which I can say about this IIM is that when I was an aspirant, this was one of my, in fact, this was my dream B school to be at, because the kind of alumni I was around, I was working at a company where almost all the founders were from this B school. Hence, I always aspired that, hey, I wish I could be here. Finally, going there to vlog to show you around. And just when I was happy that bheed nahi hai bilkul bhi airport pe, look at this. Look at the congestion. Oh. So finally done with the security check. We'll try to go to the lounge this time. It was closed at the Delhi airport. And really excited about this IIM, because with this IIM I'm actually covering the best B schools out there. And now almost you would know what it is, but I'll still give you some more hints about it. You might not even need them, but still. Now, what you know about this IIM is that probably this is the best MBA college in the country. Some rankings, some very prestigious rankings call this to be the best business school in the country. So that's where I'm heading to. And surely my objective is to really find out that what are the things because of which some rankings call it, or some students, or a lot of them, they call it the best business school. That's the idea. We'll cover a lot of aspects. We'll share with you a lot of things from that IIM over the next few days. And look what I found just when I was going to an IIM, India Today magazine, best B schools of India. Let's check where is that B school in this list. This is actually quite a beautiful airport. Now, one more hint, that this place is famous or badly known for having such long routes from the airport. 1.5 hours I'll take from here to where I'm going. So that was the exit, but since I have to travel for 1.5 hours, I just thought let's grab a quick cup of coffee and then let's move ahead with life. This is a lovely airport. So many kiosks out here. Delhi का भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. If you still can't make it out, that's IIM Bangalore, my dear friends.